Our extensive optic fiber presence puts us in close proximity to over 200 million premises across India. Yet, providing physical last-mile connectivity is a painstaking process in most parts of our country. This leaves millions of potential customers without home broadband due to the complexities and delays involved in extending optical fiber to their premises. This is where Jio AirFiber, our fixed wireless broadband offering, comes in. Jio AirFiber uses our pan-India 5G network and advanced wireless technologies to bypass the need for last-mile fiber. Through optical fiber, we can currently connect around 15,000 premises daily. But with Jio AirFiber, we can supercharge this expansion with up to 150,000 connections per day. This is a tenfold increase, expanding our addressable market over the next 3 years to over 200 million high-paying homes and premises. Today, I am delighted to announce that Jio AirFiber will launch on the auspicious occasion of Ganesh Chaturthi on 19th September, giving us another avenue for customer value and revenue growth in the untapped Indian home segment.